How I optimize the WordPress website the 100% SEO score with several issue. There is the loading time. The old loading time is here, the 3.64645 second. So old issue is also there is no meta, and also check the meta. So I have updated this meta title, and there is no meta keyword. I have also this video I show you how I have added the meta keyword in the WordPress website. There was no meta keyword in this website, so after I added the meta keyword, already is core updated. And check the meta keyword. Now meta keyword I have updated here. So meta keyword I have updated from this is the video, this is the old video. So after coming the new video, there is the 0.4 second only. So this click again now. 1.1 second is when you click the second time, and this 1.36 second, 1.4 second. When traffic is heavy or heavy load, that's time is 0.146 second. So when you visit directly with the website, so this is the website, just click this within half second with this visitor, and this website is on now. Click super fast speed in this website. Within half second this website is now loading. So in clicking any pages of this website, this is the e-commerce website. So the e-commerce website is the super fast speed. I have opened, I have optimized this website, and this is opening the super fast speed in this phone and desktop both version. Just clicking and opening. I just click and just sense this. You are watching this sense now. So anything the WordPress or speed optimize, you can knock me from the description. We will make it better for your business. Thank you.